Hi, my name is Shahroz Ahmed, and in this video I'm going to do SAT calculator based questions. So let's start off with question number 1. In question number 1 it says the graph above shows Marilyn's distance from her campsite during 3-hour hike. She stopped for 30 minutes during her hike to have lunch. Based on the graph, which of the following is closest to the time she finished lunch and continued her hike? Alright, so she's hiking, so she started hiking at 12 p.m. Up till 1 p.m. and some minutes she was hiking, and now from here to here you can see a straight line. So in this time she was not hiking, and after this time she again began to hike, and you can see the change in the distance. Alright, so now in the question it says which of the following is closest to the time she finished the lunch. So we can assume that at this point she might have started the lunch, and at this time she had finished the lunch, because during this time she was not hiking, because we can see a constant line over here. So the correct option will be option C, because option C says that the time is 1:40 p.m. So 1 p.m. is over here, 2 p.m. is over here, so this point is more than the half, so this will be considered as 40 minutes. So the time will be 1:40 p.m. Alright, so let's see this question number 2. We have been given a table, and it says the table above shows the distribution of age and then gender for 25 people who entered a contest. If the contest winner will be selected at random, what is the probability that the winner will either a female under age 40 or a male age 40 or older? So we have to find out the probability for the female that is less than the age of 40, and the male who is older than the age of 40. So in this row we have the data for the female. So female under 40 are 8, and the male over 40 are 2. So let's find out the probability. The total number of people are 25. So the probability will be like this: 8. The formula for the probability is possible outcomes over total outcomes. So we have, let's find out the probability for the female under the age of 40. So that will be 8 over 25, and the male older than age of 40, that will be 2 over 25. Now because over here we have an OR condition, so whenever we have the OR condition in the probability, then in that case we add the probabilities. If we have AND condition, AND means it's a must condition, so in that case we have to multiply the probabilities. Over here we'll just add them, so it will be like 8 over 25 plus 2 over 25, so the answer will be 10 over 25. So this will be option B. Alright, let's see question number 3. It says the graph below shows the total number of music album sales in millions each year from 1997 through 2009. So we have been given the table where we have been given the sale from 1997 to 2009. So there are around 12 years since then. So based on the graph, which of the following best describe the general trend in music album sales from 1997 through 2009? Okay, so let's see the statements one by one. Sales generally increased each year since 1997. No, I don't think so, because in 1997 the sales were 600. They have increased, then they took a dip, then they increased a bit, and then they moved further down. So in B, the option A will be wrong. So B says sales generally decreased each year since, no, they had increased from this point up till this point. Now let's see option C. It says sales increased until 2000 and then generally decreased. Yeah, this could be the option, because over here this is 1997, so this is 1998, 1999 and 2000. So you can see up till 2000 the sales became maximum and then they decreased. But let's see the option, the last option as well. So sales generally remain steady. No, they are not. So the correct option will be option C. Alright, now question number 4. In this question we have been given a table, and in the question it says the table above shows some values of the linear function f. Which of the following defines f? So the best method is to do by the trial and error. So let's check 1 and we should get -2. If it is true, then we'll check another number and we'll check another number. Alright, so let's try 1. So in option A, if I insert 1, I'll get -2, so it is correct. If I insert 2, I should get 1. So if I insert 2, I'm getting 1. No, I'll get -1, so this is wrong. Now let's do the trial and error onto this one. So if I insert 1, I'll get -2, okay, but if I insert 2, I'll get 0, so this is not the option. Let's check this one now. If I insert 1 over here, I'll get -2, but if I insert 2, I'll get 1. If I insert 3, I'll get 4. If I insert 4, I will get 7. So this could be our answer, but let's check D. So in this one, if I insert 1, I'll get -2. If I insert 2, I'll get +2, not 1. So this is incorrect. So option C is the correct answer. Alright, so question number 5, it says at Lincoln High School, approximately 7% of enrolled juniors and 5% of enrolled seniors were inducted into the National Honor Society last year. If there were 562 juniors and 602 seniors enrolled at Lincoln High School last year, which of the following is closest to the total number of juniors and seniors at Lincoln High School last year who were inducted into National Honor Society? So we have total number of juniors 562 and the total number of seniors are 602. So 7% of juniors and 5% of seniors. So we'll just add them up and we will see what's the answer. So 7% of juniors, that will be 7% of 562 plus 5% of seniors, so it's like 5% of 602. Now in order to find out the 7% of 562, we'll write it as 7 over 100 times 562 plus 5 over 100 times 602. We'll insert this whole expression into the calculator and we'll get the answer. So the answer that I got is 69.44, that is closest to 69. So option B is the correct option. So this is how we can do the calculator based questions for SAT, and I hope you got the concept, and this is it. Thank you so much.